Welcome to our video on Unlocking Actionable Insights, the Power of Data Analytics, where we will explore how data analytics can drive commercial value and transform decision-making. We'll focus on various software tools that enable organizations to extract valuable insights from data. Get ready to embark on this enlightening journey. In today's data-driven world, businesses are generating and collecting massive amounts of data. However, the real value lies in analyzing and extracting meaningful insights from this data. That's where data analytics comes into play. It's the process of examining, transforming, and modeling data to uncover patterns, trends, and actionable insights. One of the widely used tools for data analytics is Microsoft Excel. It provides a familiar and accessible platform for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. With its robust formulas, functions, and charts, Excel enables businesses to perform various analytical tasks, such as data cleansing, aggregations, and basic statistical analysis. Another powerful software tool in the realm of data analytics is Power BI. It's a business intelligence and data visualization tool that allows users to connect to multiple data sources, create interactive dashboards, and share insights across organizations. Power BI empowers users to gain a comprehensive view of their data, uncover hidden patterns, and make data-driven decisions. Moving beyond Excel and Power BI, we have SAS, Statistical Analysis System, a comprehensive analytics platform widely used in industries such as healthcare, finance, and marketing. SAS provides advanced analytics capabilities, including predictive modeling, machine learning, and data mining. It allows organizations to uncover deeper insights and make accurate predictions to drive strategic decision-making. While Excel, Power BI, and SAS are popular choices, it's worth mentioning that there are other alternatives available in the market. These include R, Python, Tableau, and Apache Hadoop, among others. The choice of software depends on the specific needs and requirements of the organization, as well as the complexity of the analytics tasks at hand. Now, let's dive into some case studies that highlight how data analytics has delivered commercial value for businesses. In the retail industry, companies have successfully leveraged data analytics to optimize pricing strategies, identify customer preferences, and personalize marketing campaigns. By analyzing customer buying patterns and demographics, retailers can make data-driven decisions to increase sales and customer satisfaction. In the healthcare sector, data analytics has played a pivotal role in improving patient outcomes and reducing costs. By analyzing patient records, medical histories, and treatment outcomes, healthcare providers can identify trends and patterns that lead to more effective diagnoses, personalized treatments, and better resource allocation. Data analytics has the potential to transform healthcare delivery and save lives. Furthermore, in the finance industry, data analytics has revolutionized risk management, fraud detection, and investment strategies. By analyzing market trends, customer behavior, and historical data, financial institutions can make informed decisions to mitigate risks, detect anomalies, and identify profitable investment opportunities. Data-driven insights enable them to stay ahead in a competitive landscape. These are just a few examples of how data analytics has unlocked actionable insights and delivered commercial value. The possibilities are endless across various sectors and industries. The key lies in leveraging the right software tools and methodologies to extract the full potential of data. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the power of data analytics. Remember, the future belongs to those who can harness data to drive innovation and make informed decisions. Stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. Until next time.